Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us encounter when working on our computers. Are the joys of technology. So, picture this. You're in the middle of an important task, and suddenly your computer freezes. Frustrating, right? Yes, you guessed it, the dreaded problem strikes again. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky issue. The best way to tackle a freezing computer is to restart it. Yes, it may sound simple, but sometimes the most effective solutions are the easiest ones. By restarting your computer, you give it a chance to refresh and start anew. This can help clear any temporary glitches or hang-ups that may be causing the freeze. So, next time your computer decides to take an unscheduled break, remember a restart is the way to go. In addition to restarting your computer, another solution to consider is checking for any pending software updates. Sometimes, outdated software can lead to performance issues and freezing. By ensuring that your operating system and applications are up to date, you can potentially resolve the problem and prevent it from happening again in the future. It's like giving your computer a nice little tune-up. In summary, when faced with a freezing computer, remember to restart it and check for software updates. These simple yet effective solutions can help you get back on track in no time. Thank you for tuning in today, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy computing.